Welcome to Outdoor Ideal. 1. Product name. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Grind settings, 16 precision grind settings, tamping, manual removable magnetic tamper. Pressure gauge, extraction feedback pressure gauge. Interface, simple button control. Dose control grinding, integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Precise espresso extraction, digital temperature control, PID, delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Product name. Breville the Barista Pro Espresso Machine, Medium. The Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home, featuring the Impress Puck system for manual espresso making made easy. Intelligent dosing. The smart dosing system automatically calculates and adjusts the level of fresh coffee for the perfect dose, every time. Precision measurement. This smart system auto-corrects the next dose, taking the guesswork out of manual espresso making. Assisted tamping, replicating the action of a professional barista. Assisted tamping features 7-degree barista twist finish and consistent 10 kg of pressure, for a polished puck surface and clean tamp face. Product name. Breville Duo Temp Pro Espresso Machine 61 fluid ounces, stainless steel. The Breville Duo Temp Pro lets you create third-wave specialty coffee at home. This espresso machine ensures balanced flavors from even extraction using low-pressure pre-fusion, managing sweetness, acidity, and bitterness for the perfect cup every time. Precise espresso extraction. Low-pressure pre-infusion helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Water temperature. The 1600W thermocoil integrated stainless steel water path accurately controls water temperature. Manual microfoam milk texturing. A high-power 1600W element delivers sufficient steam to create microfoam that enhances flavor and enables you to produce latte art at home. Product name. Delonhe EC9155M La Specialista Arte, Espresso Machine with Grinder. Perfect, consistent grinding thanks to inbuilt grinder with 8 precise settings that ensure optimal single or double dose and grind size. Active temperature control allows you to select one of 3 temperature settings to match water infusion temperature to beans for optimal extraction. My Latte Art Steam Wand is a powerful, commercial-style wand that lets you create picture-perfect latte art. Ease of use thanks to specially designed detachable, dishwasher-safe parts that simplify maintenance routines. Your favorite cup lets you enjoy your favorite drink in taller cups while preserving the coffee's crema. Product name. Breville Oracle Touch Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. Too it is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Please refer to user guide or user manual or user guide, provided below in PDF, before first use. The Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine with automation at every stage with touch screen operation to simply swipe and select for espresso, long black, latte, flat white, or cappuccino and enjoy third wave specialty coffee at home. Dose control: the integrated conical burr grinder automatically grinds, doses and temps 18 to 22 grams of coffee, similar to the commercial espresso machine in your favorite cafe. Espresso machine with precise water temperature. Achieve balanced tasting espresso with the Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine, complete with a digital temperature control (PID) technology, which ensures the temperature is kept at its optimum range.